How are you saying to Mama? Hi. Hi, Jolie. Yay! Good girl. You're talking to Mama. Give me a little wink. I love you. Yes, I do. Tell me hi. Good girl. Hi. You're just talking away this morning. Jolie, hi. 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 Show Mommy how you say it. Yeah. Hi. Hi, little girl. Yeah. Hi.